So if you guys are having a noise, got 2023 Ford Super Duty F350 7.3 Godzilla, and we all know to keep an ear out for ticks, engine noises, bearing noises. But I have a random noise that shows up randomly, a tick, pop, crack, and it's somewhere on the driver's side of the engine. I can't figure out where, but I don't feel like it's valve train. So if you guys are hearing a random noise, sometimes it goes 3 in a row, like pop, 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 and randomly it goes tick, pop, pop. I can't explain it. Heat, temperature, it's random. I think it might be this. And when it's running, it wobbles. It only has 9,700 miles on it. I know, I don't drive much. That's okay. I change oil every 6 months. Everything else looks good, nothing wobbles, except while this is running, I only have one alternator. It's the bigger one, 200 something amp. I think it's this. So I'll replace that. I got all three. I bought this one, I bought that one, and then I bought this tensioner just in case. And we're gonna see. So you just, I think it's a 3/4 inch socket, not socket, but drive, loosen it, and replace this, and I'll see if that's it. And well, we're worried about lifters and worried about lifters. Oh, modern issues. But I love them. I love both that vehicle and I love both mine. So let's see, replace it and I'll update. All right, this is the upper pulley, the old one. It spins good. So it doesn't make any noises. But it does wobble and shake. But I don't know if that's just a design flaw, because they got this plastic spacer. Why would they do a plastic spacer? Well, I changed it out. And although the new one has some play, you see it? It's nowhere near as bad as the old one. I will say the old one was loose. That's my ladder, you hear it creaking. But it is better, a lot better, I'd say. I don't know. But we'll see. Tightened it down pretty good. But I will say that tensioner, I use 3/4 drive. Too hard to do it. I use a half drive with a 3/4 conversion. Still too hard. You are gonna need a breaker bar. So this is what you're hearing. Ladder. I don't hear any more noises. I checked the bottom idler. It was smooth and wasn't rattling or loose. I checked the tensioner. The bearing was good. It was not loose or rattling. So I don't know. Sounds good right now. You're going to want to also take that out, so that you can have some more room. But yeah, that's a lot better. It was moving a lot more than that. Now, whether this was my noise, I don't know. All you can do is one piece at a time.